Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam the Art Zone. In this video, we will be seeing how to start practicing symmetrical and asymmetrical drawing. Here I have made some squares of 5 cm each. You may make it of any size but try not making it very big. Let's begin with symmetrical drawing. Before getting started, I would like to say that whenever you practice symmetrical drawing, try not to turn the book on which you are drawing. So now here I have divided this square with all possible lines of symmetry. You may practice initially by drawing these lines and then gradually reduce the number of lines and then practice with a single line of symmetry. Symmetrical drawing means same kind of drawing on both sides of the line of symmetry. I had explained about the line of symmetry in the previous video. I have provided the link in the I button and description box as well. Try drawing very lightly. You may darken it once it is perfectly drawn. You may see these shapes are mirroring each other. I have now reduced the lines. At first you can slowly bring the desired shape, but then later try to draw at a single take confidently without worrying much about the outcome to improve the free flow of your hands. The practice of lines and curves will help draw flawlessly. I have provided that in the playlist at the end of this video. Now there are only two lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. Here I have drawn the lines of symmetry diagonally. Lastly, we will practice with only one line of symmetry. Now here you can draw a horizontal line to get the exact height and decide the measurements with your eyes instead of taking the help of a ruler. Now I'll darken it and show how it looks like. Here it is after completion. Now let's start with asymmetrical drawing. As such, there is no set of rules to draw asymmetrical drawing. It is more of freehand drawing and portrayal of your imagination with no line of symmetry. We can also say that asymmetrical drawings are nature inspired. That could be any object, design, scenery, human figures, etc. Whereas symmetrical drawings are man-made and has one or more lines of symmetry. Now this is how it will look after darkening. Please do let me know how you found this video in the comment section and give a thumbs up if you liked this video. Also please do share this video, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will come up with another drawing on symmetrical and asymmetrical drawings in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Take care and bye-bye.